That's enough.
Tapos ano yung nilalagay na? Here.
I just did something. I'm digging my hair.
At hindi na ito ililipad tulad ng una, yung umbrella lang. Tapos,
Mom, my feet are completely submerged. Mom, look.
oh wow!
No, Mom, look.
I want it here, there's a sun
Mom,
here.
actually, look. Ay!
Ay, saan na yung ano nito?
Sandcastle.
Walang anong lagyanan dito ng sa likod.
No, I'm gonna ask. Mom, can I fill out my thing? Can I fill out my water gun?
Yeah, make sure you will not get wet yet, you will get cold.
Okay, can I go down there?
Yeah.
Just in that little bit water there.
Like, open it. That's
Yeah, not go far, just on that there. Ito. Ba't dinala mo itong matnak? Hindi naman tayo may
Lagayan.
Ano ba yan? hindi siya ba?
Kasi nilalagyan ko dito.
Nilagyan ng something heavy? Yung
Lagyan
ano?
natin ng sand.
Lagyan mo na lang ng sand na.